Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The month of patience. That's one of the names of Ramadan. And what a name. And if anything we need in Ramadan, subhanAllah, is sabr, is patience. And this is one of the names that actually was not given by the scholars. It was given by the scholar of the scholar, by the best creation Allah created, is a Rasul, alayhi salatu wasalam. And he actually said in Hadith, where a companion came to him and asking him, it was, if I recall well, it was Abu Umama. And the Rasul ﷺ has not seen him for a while. And then when he saw him again, he saw him lost a lot of weight. And he said, what happened? And he said, I am not eating during the day, meaning I am fasting all the year. And he said, the meaning of it, don't do that. Fast the month of patient. Sum shahr al-sabr. Fast the month of the patient, and then one day in a month or 3 days in the month, there is different narration. But the idea is Shahr al-sabr was given, the name was given by our Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. And what is sabr? What is patient? Something we all love to have and we struggle to have. Sabr is actually, the scholars defined it as habsun nafs. It's you control yourself to do something you don't like to do. For example, someone says something and you get very upset. You really want to answer, but you control yourself and hold your tongue. Then you're a sabr. Or you want to respond in a way, but you control yourself. That's sabr, habsun nafs. So you hold and you control yourself. What does Ramadan do? For the whole 16 hours or 18 or 10 hours of fasting, we are actually holding something our nafs, my nafs, really loves and wants, right? You get thirsty, you're hungry, you're used to your coffee at 10 a.m. in the morning. No, it's Ramadan, I'm not doing it, but I like it, I love it, but I'm holding. Shahr al-sabr. Another practice of Shahr al-sabr, we do it. We don't even have to train ourselves to do it. SubhanAllah, Allah make it easy, is in the night. I mean, for us here, Taraweeh Isha is about 9:30 p.m. And then we start the night Salah at 10 p.m. And normally in our daily life, 10 p.m., most of us are in bed because we have to work next day. But then we stand up, SubhanAllah, after this long time of fasting, we stand up and we enjoy it and we cry and we went longer, right? Not in the beginning. In the beginning, we may be struggling. But normally, sometimes as I am walking and going to the Taraweeh, I really want to go to bed. But I control myself. So it's Shahru al-Sabr. And patience is 3 kinds. And we practice it all in Ramadan. There's 3 kinds. Scholars have taught us. Sabru ala ta'a, sabru ala al-ma'asi, sabru ala al-bala. I am patient to obey Allah. And I am patient to stay away from the disobedience of Allah. And I am patient on the decree of Allah. So in Ramadan, I need patience to fast, to stand up in salah, to pray on time, to control my anger, to not say something not pleasing to Allah. That's all needs patience. And al-ma'asi, right? I am not going to watch this. I'm not going to look at this. I am not going to say this. These are all acts of disobedience. I need to control myself. And then qadarullah, that He had decreed that we don't eat from this time to this time. And subhanAllah, you all know this. When the time for iftar comes in, Maghrib, we all look at our clock. Is it time yet? So for example, yesterday for us was 5:25 and it was 5:51 and it was 5:52 and it was 5:50. I was like, no, not yet. It's 2 minutes. Qadarullah. And I was reminding everybody, I was like, this is what Ramadan teaches me, to submit to the will of Allah and His qadar. He said 5:51, not 5:50, and it's only 1 minute. Shahr al-Sabr, the month of patience. And there is nothing more beloved to Allah than sabr, than being patient. Allah's name is As-Sabur, the patient. And He ordered us in the Quran, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, isbiru, وَصَابِرُوا وَرَابِطُوا وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ لَعَلَّكُمْ تُفْلِحُونَ. The last verse in Surah Ale Imran. Allah said, oh believer, isbiru, be patient. وَصَابِرُوا, compete in patient. وَرَابِطُوا, stay steadfast. وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ, and be Allah conscious, awe of Allah. لَعَلَّكُمْ تُفْلِحُونَ. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teach us all. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us sabr, teach us sabr. اجعلنا من الصابرين. May جعلنا من الشاكرين. Make us from those who are grateful. Make us of those who are patient. يا رب آمين. جزاكم الله خيرا. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.